Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can clear up your cache in CapCut. So if you're editing in CapCut not running smoothly, it's maybe because your CapCut apps has too many cache file and you need to clear up the cache. And I'm going to show you how. So first open your CapCut and then just go to the settings at the top right corner, and then here just scroll down and you'll find the clear cache option. So just click on this option. Then there will be a pop-up question. So the clearing cache won't delete your drafts, so your drafts will be saved. But if you're sure to clear the cache, you can just click on OK. Then after that, the cache has been cleared and your CapCut will be running smoothly again. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.